Hello, everyone. Welcome to MGProgrammers. Today, we are going to improve our English speaking skills by discussing today's latest news. So, let's get started. So, what's the biggest news today?
Well, one major update is that the United Nations is holding urgent climate meetings.
Oh, really? Why are these meetings happening now?
Because global temperatures are rising rapidly, and scientists are warning about serious consequences.
That sounds quite alarming. Are countries taking action?
They are trying, but progress is still slow. Even NATO is involved in discussions about global stability.
So, this is not just about climate, it's a global issue.
Exactly. It affects everyone.
All right, what's happening in India?
The Reserve Bank of India has decided to keep interest rates unchanged.
What does that mean for us?
It means loan interest rates will stay stable, and the government is focusing on controlling inflation.
That's good to know. Anything else?
Yes, heat waves are increasing, especially in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana.
Yes, I can feel the heat these days.
Exactly. People should stay hydrated and avoid going out during peak hours.
Let's move to technology. Anything interesting?
Yes, OpenAI and Google are competing to develop advanced AI tools.
AI is growing very fast.
Absolutely. It is transforming industries like education, healthcare, and business.
Are there any concerns?
Yes, data privacy and cybersecurity are becoming major issues.
That's true. We need to be careful. So, how is the market today?
The Sensex and Nifty 50 showed moderate growth today.
What is driving this growth?
Mainly, banking and IT sectors are performing well.
That's a positive sign.
Yes, it shows steady progress.
What about sports?
The Indian Premier League is creating a lot of excitement.
Any standout player?
Yes, Virat Kohli is in excellent form this season.
That's great to hear. Finally, entertainment news?
OTT platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime Video are releasing new shows and movies.
Perfect for the weekend.
Yes, there's always something to watch.
So that's all for today's news. Practice this conversation daily to improve your English fluency.
Thank you for watching.
And once again, welcome to MG Programmers. See you in the next video.